Hello everyone. How to solve this tricky Olympiad mathematics? 1 minus x to the power x minus 7 into x minus 19 minus 64 is equal to 1. Then find the value of x. Now solution. This implies 1 minus x to the power x minus 7 into x minus 19 minus 64 is equal to 1 can be written as 1 minus x whole to the power 0. Here 1 minus x not equal to 0. We know a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So in this identity we use here. Now we see both sides base 1 minus x. Both sides base is equal. Therefore, this power and this power is same, equal. Therefore, x minus 7 into x minus 19 minus 64 is equal to 0. Now, simplifying this, we get x into x square, x into minus 19, minus 19x, minus 7 into x, minus 7x, minus 7 into minus 19, plus 133 minus 64 is equal to 0. Implies x square minus 19x minus 7x 26x plus 133 minus 64 will be plus 69 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We solve this equation by factorization method. Therefore, this is the middle term factor. Product is equal to 69. 69 is equal to 3 into 23. And sum is equal to minus 26 is equal to minus 3 minus 23. So we can say this will be x square minus 3x minus 23x. This will be minus 26x plus 69 is equal to 0, or x is common from these two terms, then it will be x minus 3 minus 23 common these two terms, then it will be x minus 3. Right hand side is equal to 0. From these two terms we have x minus 3 is common. Therefore take common x minus 3, then this will be x and this will be minus 23 is equal to 0. Now according to zero product rule, either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 23 is equal to 0. When x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3, or x minus 23 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 23. So we get two values of x, and that's our x is equal to 3 or 23. And these are the answers of this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also subscribe my channel. Visit again. Goodbye.